Okay, I am recording, and we are going outside because Mia is going to go in the snow. Mia! Wait a minute. Here, grab the camera, Chris, and take it
go ahead, get her.
from that angle. Well, hello, Mama.
What are you doing?
Here, you got to get her face from that angle.
Alright, leave it recording.
Here, hold on.
What you got there? What you got? What you got? You're stuck. You're stuck.
Oh, his daddy almost fell.
We got some snow. That's our little igloo girl. That's our little igloo girl.
This is her first time ever in the snow.
Come here.
And it happens to be one of the biggest snowfalls.
Oh, get down there and shoot.
Woo! Looky, getting Daddy all wet.
That's cold. Let's see what we got here.
Huh?
Come on. Ready?
Here they go.
Whoa!
Oh.
There's too much snow.
Mia is going sled riding for the first time with Daddy. Yay!
Oh, you're gonna fall down in the hole. This isn't really working.
The snow is actually too deep.
This isn't working.
Look at her face. Ah!
Ah! It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Yeah.
Daddy is so going to regret that.
Dad's forgot that he had stuff in his pockets.
Probably has his phone.
No.
And Mia's eating the first snowfall. Looky, looky. Oh, yuck! Hi! Mama, look at Mommy. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
Pants are falling down. Snow in my boots. Ah.
Mia.
Snowball. I got it. I got it.
Be careful, Daddy. To her, this is like an avalanche. She's like, hello?
I know you're not
Okay.
filming while you're at the camera.
Bye.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Ugh. My pants are falling down. Yeah. Here, stay there. Oh, my foot's caught.
What are you doing?
Just putting this on the stairs.
They're on their way to come get me. Mia, look at me. Hey, Daddy's booty's in the way. There's a shot of Daddy's booty. Mia!
Mia.
This is Mia in her sled that Daddy got her.
You ready?
Obviously.
You ready? You ready? Ah, my belly's cold. Ah, it's cold. It's cold.
Say hi to Grandma. Say hi.
Grammy.
Say, we got the snow this time. You didn't.
Grandma didn't get the snow, we did. We stole it. It's kind of cold laying here. Can I sit there with you? It's kind of chilly. Ugh. Ugh. Let's see how tall it is. Come here.
Mia!
She's not touching the ground. Look, a snow baby.
Hi, Mia.
A snowman and a snow baby.
Hey, you.
Hi.
Aww.
Come here.
She might be getting wet now, hon. Is there a way you can send this to your mom?
I might be able to.
Because she would die.
I can put it on YouTube.